So I got a white-tailed doe yesterday morning. Today we have sustained winds that are higher and snow's coming down. Harsh winter conditions, baby. I'm loving it though. I see some does a couple hundred yards further. It's gonna be really hard to make a play on these. I crawled on my hands and knees for, I don't know, over 500 yards. It was a long time. Praise the Lord. Yesterday we had a huge storm. Today it kind of cleared out a little bit. 25 degrees. Let's make a Pine Ridge buffalo toaster. I've got that tan Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle. If you're new to Blackstone, every year for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we have limited edition griddles, and this was one this year. There was a gray one, a tan one, and a black one. These things are sweet. I have some thick sliced bacon here. While that bacon cooks up, I've got some ground bison, Colorado bison. These are going on Texas toast, so I want to make a big old 5 or 6 ounce patty. And I've got that Blackstone Essential Blend with me. Salt, pepper, garlic, good stuff. Cooking that bacon on low heat. I don't have a bacon press, I'm just gonna go low. Bacon's looking really good over here. So I'll go ahead and crank these burners up to high. And when you're hunting, you have frozen olive oil. So down with a little bit of frozen olive oil. Not quite enough bacon grease, so that olive oil is gonna come in handy here. Gonna put those bison patties seasoning side down. I don't want the bacon to burn. I think it's just about perfect, so we're gonna pull the bacon. And we're gonna use Texas toast today. A little bit of mayo down on each piece of Texas toast. Time for the patty flip. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna go in with the French's crispy fried onion, followed by extra sharp cheddar and pepper jack cheese. Crisscross some bacon on top of the cheese. Texas toast, mayo side down, get it nice and golden brown. Time to flip the Texas toast. Oh yeah. You stack that toast up and pull it. I'm gonna put the pretty toasted side on the outside so it looks better for the picture. A little bit of mayo on the bottom, followed by some green leaf lettuce that's surprisingly survived 3 days in the ice cold stormy winter weather. And I found this at the grocery store. It's from Colorado. Whiskey and sweet cherry barbecue sauce. And those beautifully toasted crowns on top. Take a look at that. We had a freezing cold morning, so we're super hungry. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's give it a try. I have pickles for the burger. The funny thing is, Steve doesn't like pickles. I forgot to put the pickles on the burger. He doesn't care, so. All right, time to go in there for a last minute pickle edition. So thanks for watching. Make sure you follow us. Go out to blackstoneproducts.com. We have all types of shows, and so whether you want to watch Blackstone Betty or Bruce the Alligator Man Mitchell, we're all cooking out of Blackstone. Until next time, this is Todd and my buddy Steve. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Pine Ridge Buffalo Burger.